Hey everyone, we will talk about the text formula. It is a very convenient way to convert numbers into text in a given format. For example, we have a date here. We want to extract each individual part of this date, like year, month, and date. We can use text and then select the range you want to convert. For the format, we can use for-y. If you want 2 digits, we can use to-y for the format. To extract the month, we can type text and the format will be 3M. If we want the full name, we can use 4M. For the day, we can use DD. If we use 3D, we will have the short form of the day of the week. If we use 4D, it will show the full name. We can use it to convert the format of time. We will use text, the range, and the format will be hour, minute, AM, PM. We will have the time in a 12-hour format. We have the 24-hour format. We can just remove the AM, PM. We can add text to the format as well. We can type text, the range. For the format, let's add an emoji and the number format. Hashtags are similar to 0, but will not force display if they are 0. Here we have the text convert. But we can only add one character by using this method. For example, we want to put income and then the numbering format. It does not work. Alright, so this is the text formula.